In this video, I'm going to show you easily hide Instagram chats without deleting them before they watch the video to the very so end. You don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys. The first off, you need to open up Instagram app. Once it is done, just stop right here to go to chats. Then search for a chat you would like to hide. Then get Indeed. Tap right here at chat's name and the very top. Then you will be taken to that page where you need to add to privacy and safety. And that's where all we have to do is just hit right where it says restrict. Then hit at this button. Now this user is a restricted, and as you can see, conversation with them is now gone from our chats list. It is actually now hidden. And then let's say if after a while you decide to unhide it, you can easily do so as well. To do that, we need to go to search first. Then just search for a user by their Instagram username. Here it is. Now we need to tap to go to their conversation with this user. And that's where we can tap add honor. Restrict to easily on the restrict that user. Now if we go back to our conversations list, we can easily find the conversation with this user here. If this video was helpful, don't forget to hit the like button